Greetings and welcome to One Sparkle Love Church. Thank you for being a part of my congregation. Now, every week, I cook once a week for the week, simply because after my third different cancer, sinus cancer, where cancer was eating the bone in my head for 4 years, I now take nutrition very serious. And one of the side effects after radiation and chemotherapy cancer treatments is my esophagus was falling apart for 2 years. That's my throat. And so then that stopped, and now it's the tightness of my muscles, simply because I have lymphedema. Now, that means that you have permanent damage of your lymph nodes in my throat, my head, and my sinus. So that whole area, ENT, cannot breathe, swallow. Things do not regulate in that world. So, I created my own new day, new way, new me in kosher motif. And so then I create recipes way better than any restaurant ever thought. Simply because of my health, I must change the ingredients. So I change kosher motif. Now, this week is about sweet peas. I had no clue about where they came from, so I finally decided to inquire. So I'm at the farmer's market. I get the sweet peas, and this lady is waiting for me to be done, so she goes and gets some. And I ask her, customers, it's always good to talk to them, because sometimes they have recipes, maybe they don't. So I ask her, how do you cook it? She goes, well, how do you normally buy it? I say frozen, because I didn't know it came in a pot. And she goes, oh, yeah, boil that with some bacon and some sweet potatoes. Mush it all together. Fabulous. I said, that sounds good. Now, in my world, everything put together, there will be always 30 to 50 ingredients in each meal. So, like my oatmeal loaded because I got 50 ingredients. This will be sweet pea loaded recipe. So you got those 3 plus 40 other ingredients that go into it. Simply because I have to create kosher motif because I have, histamine intolerant, fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, osteoporosis. From the 3 different cancers, you get a lot of boatload of medical issues. So you have to create a new life of what is meant to be yours for the rest of this life. It seeps into your subconscious and goes into your next lifetime. And life is love. Love is life. Blessings from Reverend Ms. Lewis. And thank you for your support.